Hi guys, welcome back to Aadies Kitchen. You saw me when I was 5 years old. Now I'm 7 years old and I got a new recipe with me. The recipe is banana mixed berry smoothie. Let's get started. To make banana smoothie, we need banana, frozen mixed berries, milk, sugar, and walnuts. Now let's see how to make banana smoothie. First, peel the banana. Then put it in the jar. Now put the frozen mixed berries. Then put sugar. And then walnut. Before adding the milk, let's blend this smooth. Look how smooth it is. Now let's add the milk. And blend it again. Now our smoothie is finished. Now let's pour it into the glass. It looks so purplish because of the berries we added. Now it's time to taste it. It's yummy.
It's yummy? You like it?
Yeah.
Can you share it with me? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Don't forget to try this yummy smoothie at home and subscribe to my channel. Bye!